The majestic royal horses are trotting proudly through the streets of London when suddenly, a taxi zooms towards them. As the royal horses were parading through the streets, a taxi driver, perhaps too caught up in the hustle and bustle, failed to yield to the magnificent procession. Royal horses aren't just ordinary horses. They undergo extensive training to handle any situation. From street noise to unexpected traffic, these majestic beings are conditioned to stay calm and composed.
That's cool. I like that.
زمان. تسنيم داليا. لا 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 بعدها بعدها. خلاص. Pamela?
There was a religious Puritan police in the centre of the Taliban. Shut bars, brothels, taverns, months of hell. So when he died, his son was supposed to take over, who was even less popular. We actually thought, no, what was better off with the king? So we brought the king's son back from Europe, Charles II, and then we got him on a king. So we had this political element of it.
Move, please! Move, please!
Can you see the one at the back? Yes, that's because these are city of London.
Just black
So this is the